Years old, his holy book. Saint George slaying the dragon. Here is the Virgin Mary, the Black Madonna, Black Jesus.
Yes.
Later on, after division of Europeans, from black changed to white Virgin Mary. I can show you both painting in here inside. The original one is the black one.
Yes.
Black Jesus also. How it was to read Geese, you know. It was prayer for us, Abba. You can listen him.